Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a YouTube video series. A series playlist allows you to mark your playlist as an official set of videos that should be viewed together. Adding videos to a series playlist allows other videos in the playlist to be featured and recommended when someone is viewing a video in the series. YouTube may use this info to modify how the videos are presented or discovered. I'm going to show you one of my favorite blogger. Now, you can take a look that she has a playlist here, a series playlist, different series playlist. There are few notes to remember when using series playlists. You must have a verified account to use series playlist. A video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. Only videos uploaded by you that you have the rights that can be added to series playlists. To turn on series playlists, visit playlist settings when you're on computer and turn on a set as official series for the playlist. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!